Today at Sid's Garage, we're going to be checking the oil level on the Bronco Sport.
Step 1. Open the hood. Step 2. Remove the dipstick. Step 3. Wipe it clean. Step 4. Reinsert dipstick. If the oil level is past the minimum mark, the oil level is acceptable.
Welcome back to Sid's Garage. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to check your tire pressure and for repairs.
Step 1. Read the tire sticker to see your tire's ideal pressure range. Step 2. Remove valve cap and check tire pressure. Step 3. Fill the tires with air. Step 4. Insert the pressure gauge and check. Step 5. Replace the valve cap.
Hey guys, I'm excited to introduce you to my vintage Mustang. Her name is Brittany, and I'm going to show you guys some things that I love about her. When I saw the exterior but also the interior of this car, I was absolutely obsessed because if you see how beautiful these seats are and the blue ceiling, I love the original steering wheel, radio, the shifter. We have the original hubcaps. These awesome mirrors. I always thought that this shape is really cool. I don't see it anymore. I plan on updating the power steering right now. I currently don't have any, so it's a little bit of a hard drive. I'm gonna put disc brakes in the back so it's a safer drive. I'm gonna have to take the engine out, take it apart, see what's going on, upgrade the engine as well. Can't wait to get into it. Spend a day in the life with me, Sydney, at Bronco Off-Rodeo in Moab, Utah.